Day 2 of the account challenge. I'm going to be documenting this every single day for you guys to show you that you can grow a $1,000 account to $100,000. So this is going to be a long challenge, a long process, but you guys get to see how it's done. My name is Will Trades. If you want to do this live with me every single day, go ahead and click the link down below to become a member. We would love to have you become a seeker yourself. But I made a total of $171 profit, with the total count value now standing at $1,455 profit. So that pretty much means I made in 2 days about $455 profit off of 2 trading days, which is absolutely amazing. We're killing it and we're going right along. So again, we're done for the day. We're done trading. Let's do a recap in my computer, how we made those trades. And if you guys want to join, hop on the link down below. Let's hop onto my computer. What happened here? What did we do? Well, I knew that we're still trading above the 200-day moving average, saying that buyers are still in control, which is good. It's nice. It's beautiful. And if I zoom out here, because we actually made a few trades, it was actually very, very choppy market sentiment, very, very, very choppy day. And we had some big news come out as well. So we had to make sure that we were staying clean, concise, and smart with our entries. So let me go ahead and remove these lines for you guys and show you like what's going on here. So we saw that we were holding above market opens right here, and we can see that price came up, got rejected multiple times, but said, okay, we're still holding above the 200-day moving average. And if we can have good buying momentum here, we can probably look for longs. And what you guys can see is we entered exactly, I'll show you right here on this break, which would be right here, and we got out right here on this break. So we didn't make, we made like maybe a few points, maybe 10-ish points, nothing insane. Made about, I think, $40, $50 on this play. And then I went, okay, let's see what happens. We came all the way back up here now, came back down, still trading above the 200-day moving average, which is a good sign. So I decided to go long 2 contracts right here before the break happens. Again, stop loss is below this candle. And we actually ripped right through it, selling on this wick. And again, still super choppy, and I just didn't like how we just came back down, just chopped around, and we just ripped right through. So I took a profit, making now about $90-ish on the day. And then I was like, you know what, I don't like anything. We're in choppy territory. And now I'm like, okay, well look, we're about to actually break this 200-day moving average. And so I actually tried shorts right here at this low break right here, because I saw like, hey, let's just make sure that we break through this. And it was, again, super wicky, super choppy, and I actually got stopped out right here for a break-even stop loss, so still up $90 on the day. And here comes the last trade, the annoying trade that finished making the 171 on the day, and it was this. I knew that we were rallying, I knew that we were coming up here, but the question was when. And every time I entered a position, I was entered here, got stopped out break-even. And then again got stopped out for a little bit of a loss, and then entered here again, got stopped out next candle, and then entered finally on that last play, ripping finally through, exiting on this candle, making that full $171 profit on the day. That was my breakdown. That's how we did it. That's how we're staying green. Next week, let's hopefully get over $2,000 in the account. I think that is very, very, very doable. But again, this is day 2 of the 1,000 to 100K challenge. If you want to join my team, again, link down below. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.